How can you concat or merge tables along the rows with Python and pandas? We will convert several datasets into one single dataset. And to show you how, let's go into the notebook. For this tutorial, let's use several data frames that I collected from a website that has used cars data. And let's load all of these data frames, and then let's build a list with all the data frames that we loaded. And here we have a loop to count all the rows from all the data frames. This is just to check against the number of rows in the final dataset. Let's run this, and if you print rows, you can see that we have almost 35,000 data points. Now let's merge all the data frames that we have. And for that we call a new df, which will be the final one, and then pd.concat and the list of the data frames that we have. Here axis equals 0 defines that we want to merge along the rows. If you run this, and if we check the shape, we can see that the latest data frame has now 34,000 rows, the same that we have here. And if you want to check the df, you can see that we have all the rows from all the data frames. Smash the like button if this video was helpful to you, and take a look at this playlist here where I show you how can you clean and transform data. I hope to see you around. Cheers, bye.